my channel. Today is another makeup roulette day and I'm really excited to get this all started. For the makeup rule, we are going to try to incorporate some bright colors into this. It's not like we don't already do that. So for our eyeshadow rule, what we're going to try to focus on today is getting some glitter or some foil look kind of going on there. So we're going to do a little glitter, we're going to do some bright colors. Let's find out what colors we're going to use. We are going into a color that is not something I think we have had featured on this channel, so I'm really excited for that. So for today we are going for our bright color, we are going into our glitter. I'm going to be using a purple eyeshadow, so I think this will be really fun. My best friend's favorite color is purple, so I think she will really like this as well. For the feature brand, the wheel decided that we can just use a never used palette. We've done this before. It's super fun just to find some new products and actually give it a try. Rather be ready. So for some of the palettes I've never used on this channel, I think it's actually all of them. Hopefully this turns out good, but might as well just jump into it. So to start, I'm gonna buff in a light, like neutral beige eyeshadow into my overall lid and just get that kind of up in this area. And I'm gonna go into the color Butterfly Fantasy right here, and we're just gonna pat that on. Holy smokes, that's a lot of fallout. The next color I'm going to use is M3, so that's this middle beige one. I'm going to buff this into my crease. So I'm going to use the color Rush, and I'm just going to go over that just to give it a little bit more of an orange tone. So we're just going to take this dark purple color and we're just going to go right into the crease, leaving a little bit of that beige peeking out. The next color I'm going to take is called Not My Journey, and that is in the Jaclyn palette, and it's this very beautiful purple. So I'm going to pack that onto my lids and let's see where she goes. And to top it up, I'm going to put this A Moment right here, this glittery purple pink kind of thing. And I'm just going to put that over the purple that I just put down. Alrighty, for now we're just going to leave that until I can think of something. Now we're going to get into base. Cover this. So today the wheel decided that we're going to use the Smashbox Primer Water Set and Refresh Sprays. The wheel also decided that today we're using the Fenty Beauty Foundation, so this is my normal foundation. I really do like it, and yeah. For concealer, the wheel decided today we're going to use the TooFaced Born This Way concealer, so I'm going to apply that to my under eyes, and then we will move on to setting powder. So to set our under eyes, we are going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Translucent Powder, and we're just going to put a little bit on the under eyes for now. And I'm just going to pat that in, and then I'm just going to underline my eyes with another streak of color. And I'm going to use this color called Good Place, and I'm going to underline my eye. So the wheel picked the NYX Ombre blush. It's in a reddish gold, so I hope this doesn't clash. Finish up buffing our face with our setting powder just so we can set everything in. Oh, so I forgot to bang off everything. For our highlighter, I have this, it's from Mini So. It's called Radiance Boosting Blusher. It's in a color called Light Gold. I tried this way back and it was literally like a highlighter. So I'm going to use it like a highlighter. We need to figure out our lipstick and figure out what we're going to do. My hope is that the lipstick color we draw doesn't clash with purple, because purple, I personally don't know if it's easy to pair with because I don't use it much. So the wheel spun a red creamy lip. I don't have a cream lipstick, but I've got a few ideas, but we're not even there yet. We have to finish this look. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty red lip liner, and I'm also going to use the matching red matte liquid lipstick. So I'm going to take a quick moment. I'm going to go put on my lashes, my liner, and my mascara, and I'll be right back. I still need to put a pop of glitter in, and I need to put a little bit of something on these lips to make them a little creamier because they are technically matte. So I will be right back.
A few moments later.
I've got some liner and some lashes on, as you can clearly tell. These lashes I'm actually totally digging. I got 6 pairs for like $3 from AliExpress. I do not mind them at all. I do not mind them at all. For a couple of dollars, you can't really go too wrong. And these guys are big, like holy smokes. So now I want to add a little more highlight into my eyes. I know it's a little glittery. You probably can't see it on camera, but the purple actually is very glittery. But I'm going to add a little something extra. I think I'm going to put this nice gold. It's really glittery and it's called Talia. It's really glittery though. So I'm just going to pop that in on the corner of my eye. And as much as I love this lip color, I know the rule was it has to be creamy, and this is matte. So I have the Younique Moonstruck Lucrative Lip Gloss. I have never used it before, so I'm kind of excited. So it's like a red, and we're just gonna plop that on top. So this is the end of the video, and this is the finished look. Honestly, this is something I would not have gone for normally. I would not have gone for a cream lip or a lip gloss over a matte lip. I know, whatever. You would have used purple to kind of blend into other colors, but not as an accent color. So I'm really actually in love with how this works. The gold, I don't know if it comes up on camera, but I flippin' love this gold. This gold is gorgeous. I absolutely think it's just spectacular. It's so glittery and shiny, yet so easy to blend. It's just awesome. And I absolutely love these lashes. As much as they're like the cheapest lashes I've ever had my hands or eyes on, I actually really like them. And they look pretty cool. They're really long and very big. I couldn't wear them under glasses under no circumstances because these bad boys are long. When it comes, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. But that is the end of my video, guys. If you guys like this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate all of the support. And if you're curious what any of the products I'm using today, I will be putting all the products in the description box below so that you guys can check them out on your own. And if you have any suggestions, I always encourage you guys to share below. Any feedback, please let me know. Anyways, until next time, guys, bye!